So, hello everyone. This is Chandrakant from QSPIDERS GURUGRAM. Today we have our placed candidate. So she got job recently. So let's have a talk with her. So hello. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Harmanjot. And talking about my educational background, I have completed my schooling from St. Joseph's Convent School, Hoshiarpur, and my masters from Swami Sarvanandgiri Regional Campus, Hoshiarpur, and my year of pass out is 2024.
Okay. Okay. What will be the designation?
The designation is QA.
Okay. When did you join QSPIDERS?
I joined QSPIDERS just 2 months prior to this.
Okay. Can you talk about your technical skills? What are all the skills you learned in QSPIDERS?
In QSPIDERS, I gained very good knowledge about testing, manual testing, in-depth knowledge I gained about it. It enhanced my confidence and my other skills were also enhanced. I became detail-oriented person. I gained good analytical and management skills. My comms were also improved, and that's it.
Okay. So how did you get to know about QSPIDERS?
Actually, a friend of mine recommended me QSPIDERS, so from him I got to know about it.
Okay, do you think you took admission here? Did you get work for that?
Yes, it is completely worthy for me as through QSPIDERS only I have got my job. I am placed today. Before this I tried myself for getting a job, but I failed many number of times. So that's why I am completely thankful to QSPIDERS for giving me a job.
Okay, totally how many interviews you attended?
So this was my second time that I sat in an interview and I cracked it.
Okay. So you have mentioned earlier you have given many interviews but you
Yes.
got failed.
Yes.
So now you are telling you got job in second interview itself.
Yes.
Okay. How was your preparation or what strategy you followed to get the job?
The interviews which I was talking about earlier was my on-campus interviews, and for that I was not prepared. I didn't have a good knowledge about testing. My comms were not good. So the mocks which were conducted in QSPIDERS, they helped me a lot. Grooming classes were held before going to interviews. So all this when combined properly, they were very fruitful to me and it proved good results.
Okay, could you recommend the students who are those who are looking for job or those who wants to update their skills?
Yes.
So what suggestion you can give for them?
I would completely suggest all my friends who are looking for a good opportunity to work and learn more. I would suggest them to join QSPIDERS and try at least once, attend any class, like they are giving free classes, and they can attend the classes, and if they feel good then they can join. According to me, the best solution is joining QSPIDERS. If a person is not having any clear path or he is not accessible to any proper knowledge to what he should get, and so QSPIDERS is the right way for it. The team, the management, the trainers, they are very good and they will help you a lot and they are very cooperative.
Okay. So all the best for your future.
Thank you so much.
Do get all the success in the life.
Yeah, thank you.